Welcome back viewers. In the last video we have seen that we had issues updating the CARLI because of the non-ability of a fresh key for the Frederick Schwann. He is one of the developers. So this GPG key is now expired. So how to get a fresh key? So we tried the refresh command. So pacman dash keys dash dash refresh dash keys. So that did not work. So how to have import the latest keys. So for that now I got a solution. Let us try this solution. So you have to first enter in as a root. Now once you are logged in as a root, you have to type few commands, that is pacman dash capital SYU have GED. That will not go with the get. Now you have to type system control but it is not there. So system control enable command must be navigate system not exist. Let us see what happens. Same issue is there. Okay, so now what we will now issue the command remove. First we will remove the keys. The older keys have to be removed first. Pacman dash D. So this is the pacman daemon. You have to open the GNU PG. The keys that are stored here, GNU PG. Now the configuration for the GNU PG keys has been done. So now you have to basically initiate again the to populate the this key store. So this will initiate the key store again. It has been initiated. Now you have to use the pacman dash key. You have to populate it again. So key store has to be populated again. Arch Linux. Nothing to worry, just some time. I've got a list of multiple commands that can be used here. Let us again try reconstruct the key. And once this is complete, we will again try to do the updation of the Arch Linux keyring. For that, there is another command. So there is error reading the key. You can see it here. No data. So the new key is not there on the server. So the keys have remain unchanged. Let us wait for this command to end. Then we will try another command. Then we will try to update the keys from the Arch Linux keyring. Maybe that will have the updated keys for Frederick Schwann in the Arch Linux repos. Okay, so the key refresh has completed. Now what we will try to update command. Close this. So we will be now back in the general user. The root access has been removed. Now we can try sudo pacman syuu. Let us see what happens. Whether it solves our issue. So this is a very tedious work. You're, uh, you're bogged down with this issue. You have to just follow all the steps. You cannot just do any shortcuts. There are no shortcuts. Now what I will do is now again we have to go into the root access. So get logged in as a root. Now you have to try another thing, that is the pacman, another command. So the last key refresh has not worked. Now you have to import the keys from the Arch Linux. Unable to log the database. So how you have to go? You have to again close this on a new window. So that what will happen is because the terminal window was open and we had earlier executed the GPG key refresh command. So that command had locked up the GPG key store. We could not access it using the super user or the root command. So now you have to again open a new terminal so that the access is available. You have to now try to update the key rings from the Arch Linux keyring server. Again, it is not able to lock the basis. This will not work because you see this Arch Linux keyring has not been updated for very long. So there won't be any new keys in this keyring. So we will try another alternative way, that is pacman dash key. Will initialize. Now pacman keys have been initialized. So you have to run another command dash keys. I think this is the same we have tried earlier also. Yes. So anyways, what we can do is we will not go with this. It's not working. There is some. I will have to find another way. Ah, yes. Now let's try this pacman dash. What it will do is it will call the complete Arch Linux screen. Okay, so this open. Is so I think we will not be able to update it right now. We'll have to find another way. We have tried a couple of methods, but none of them is working. So I will stop the video here. See you in the next video.